గవర్నర్ గారికి ఇన్ఛార్జ్ మంత్రివర్యులు సార్
all the public representatives present here, MLAs and MCs elected, and in schools we are implementing for attendance facial recognition system, midday meal. Thank you, sir. Now I request the collector. One is given as order that in colloquial it became Karna. And the founder king of Kakatiyas was Ganapati Deva, and Kakatiyas have ruled this area, sir, and Rani Vikram Devi, the female ruler, was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. And this dynasty had faced so many rise and fall during different times, and which left out so many architectural marvels and archaeological sites in this district, sir. And the present day Warangal, the total area is 1766 square kilometers, sir. It comprises of 2 revenue divisions and 13 mandals. We have 325 gram panchayats covered in 190 villages. We have 1 municipal corporation comprising the 2 mandals, that is Warangal and Kiranagar. And the schools, the regular classroom, some of the Shiksha we have given wages, sir, and civil work, and also
taken up, sir, and through the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, we are also taking up health checkup of all the students present. We've already completed distribution of the textbooks and the notebooks to all the students. Now we have the dual language textbooks, sir, which are in English and also in Telugu. Therefore, since all our schools are English medium schools, it helps catching up of the students who are not able to switch over to the English language also. And this is the quality of the textbooks. The content is also very well established, sir, so that we are able to ensure that they pick up the English language also faster. And we have the Sakhi Center, which is established, and recently the Mission Vatsalya scheme also has been in place. The Sakhi Center, which is there in the district, sir, it regularly handles cases of domestic violence or other kinds of distress for the women who are within the district, sir. They generally approach by telephone or by visiting the center also, and they are provided counseling for minor cases. In case of major cases, they are referred to the women police department. And Kali temple, we are creating a parikrama which is outside for the chariot to move around the temple. So this has not been there so far. Hence, in the present government, we are taking up the parikrama on the northern side and the southern side. The work on the northern side has commenced. So the southern side, we are awaiting design approvals, and we will commence. Once this is done, we are expecting the tourist footfall to increase, and it is a good recreation center also. And even as per the requests of the temple authorities, it is important to have a parikrama around the temple for their activities of the chariot movement and during the festivals, sir. Next, sir, this is Kaloji Kalakshetram. Kaloji Garu is a very renowned poet of this region, and he is known to have composed very important and very wonderful poems of this particular area. So, in his reverence, this Kaloji Kalakshetram as a cultural center. Yes, it is like the Ravindra Bharati, which is in further, and ensure that more number of students come there to learn about the various equipment which is placed there. Sir, since majority of the area is covered under GWMC and the Urban Development Authority, I will go through the various aspects of the Urban Development Authority and the GWMC, sir. So first is the Smart City Mission. This was Warangal is a smart city, and it was launched in 2016, whereas the actual work started in 2018-19, sir. It is a 1,000 crore project, of which 500 crores is given by Government of India, 500 crores is from the state government. So as on today, we have a utilization of about 518 crores, and we have achieved more than 50% of the utilization. And we have this one final year to complete all the remaining projects, and we are trying to expedite most of the projects to be closed by the December of this.
It is happening across the state, sir. Here we have completed 28 such Anganwadis.
Because Anganwadi was not clearly defined.
Yes, I have photos also, sir.
Earlier times in our states or other states, Anganwadi is not clearly defined. आंगनवाड़ी अच्छा है हम जानते हैं, पर क्या करता है मालूम नहीं था.
Sir.
Now you will have it defined.
Yes, sir.
That's a very good idea.
Yes,
You are
sir.
doing it here also.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Across the
Very
state,
good.
it's being
That's a
done.
very good idea. It's a very good idea.
Then, sir, as a scheme of excise and narcotics department, to wait for the results like how this would take off, sir. And here we would be targeting age group of 11 to 18 years, sir. And the Anganwadi center, sir, I am just presenting the pictures which are drawn where the children would come to school and then they would learn from the wall itself. That's the idea, sir, basically. And also they have a small group kind of a daily play group kind of an activity which would involve them into the community activities, sir.
What are you doing in UNESCO? Previous slide back.
UNICEF, sir. UNICEF gives us the basic training as to the world-class knowledge, what is there available. Yes, yes, sir. To the VO, sir. VOs in turn would go to the school and then they will form a Sneha committee in the school, sir, with girls of 11 to 18 group. They take it out and then this would they would educate them on the safety, how to be safe, and the self-defense mechanisms, the nutrition, because
This is a new thing.
this is a very new thing, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And and in I will look at it, sir. Once
I
again,
think 1%, 2% हो गया.
yes, sir. Yes, I'll check it. Sir. Yes, sir. I'll check it.
Check it, check it.
Then, sir, then under Pradhan Mantri, sir, under Urban Mission, sir, at Parvatagiri cluster, sir. This is a mandal which is will work out, sir.
So one should work it out.
Yes,
In Tripura also, I tell you all the officers, let us see at least one urban, because the work is always ongoing.
yes, sir.
वो हो गया, सड़क हो गया तो ड्रेन नहीं हुआ, ड्रेन हुआ तो लाइट नहीं हुआ, लाइट हुआ तो हाउसिंग नहीं हुआ, something, you know, so it keeps on going on. So
Yes,
one,
sir.
how to finish it, that is the challenge actually.
I'll work it out on that.
It's a very big challenge for you IAS officers,
Yes,
how to get one urban ready
sir.
in the country actually.
Yes, sir.
If it's a you know, ongoing process for eternity, then it becomes, to
Yes.
infinity, it becomes very difficult. ठीक ना?
Yes, sir.
So
Not
try
yet.
to get it on ready.
Yes, sir.
Not you only, all over the country,
All
the same
over the
thing.
country. Yes, sir.
I visited many places in the country and asked the urban ready है क्या? नहीं ongoing है. हमारा state में ongoing होते रहता है. How to finish it? It's quite a old program of the central government.
Sir.
Somehow or the other there is some something there which doesn't make.
And these works were taken up very quickly because it was done by the mothers and by the POs. So they took a lot of interest in ensuring that the So we have further and ensure that more number of students come there to learn about the various equipment which is placed there. So since majority of the area is covered under GWMC and the Urban Development Authority, I will go through the various aspects of the Urban Development Authority and the GWMC, sir. So first is the Smart City Mission. This was, Warangal is a smart city and it was launched in 2016, whereas the actual work started in 2018-19, sir. It is a 1,000 crore project, of which 500 crores is given by Government of India, 500 crores is from the state government. So as on today, we have a utilization of about 518 crores and we have achieved more than 50% of the utilization. And we have this one final year to complete all the remaining projects and we are trying to expedite most of the projects to be closed by the December of this.